Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. This is going to be a short video. I just kind of wanted to decorate the box, the top of my box with you guys, and see what kind of crazy ideas we come up with. Okay, so basically this box is pretty much put together. The only thing I'm missing is some washi tape. So I pulled, honestly, non-Christmassy colors, because again, I know I've said it like on the previous videos, but the actual Christmas washi tape for this collection, which is Christmas by Carta Bella, I've already shared that washi tape with Susan, so I didn't want to send her the same one. And so for these, I honestly just pulled colors that are green, brown, and red, and not necessarily Christmas. This one right here is honestly like a vintage brown that I have. And then this is the only Christmas one, which honestly, I feel like I've already shared some of this with her, but I was like, why not? I still have enough. So I'm gonna speed up this process because I am just going to try to fit them like right here and just go around a few times. And then I have my hot glue gun here on the side, so I can start so it could start getting hot while I work on the decoration pieces. So let me do this a couple times. Again, I'm just gonna speed through this. I feel like I need more Christmas washi tape. I don't dare say I don't think I have enough. Okay, and then for this one, I guess I could just skip this green one, and we're not gonna do that one. And I could just share some of this gorgeous brown one that I have, which I know I haven't given her some of this, so I'm sure she'll be happy. Which reminds me, how do you guys store these when you do washi tape swaps? Because I have them in a ring, and honestly, I feel like I need to find a way to store these better. Maybe create like a little box. And this is, I mean, not really the colors, but it ties in the browns from the collection. Okay, we're almost done. Maybe just a few more times. It's getting kind of thick there. And then put that there. Okay, so now we are done. In case you want to know, let me zoom you guys in. I just have some gold and silver stars, some brads that again are Christmassy, and then also some that are plain color or solid color, and it just ties in the reds and the greens from this collection. I have a mama deer and a baby deer. I'm just kind of lucky that they fit perfectly in the little square. Some flowers. These are some chipboard, small chipboards from the collection. As you can see, I try to pull the ones that fit in the square. Some green and gold sequin, some red ones, the washi tape that you guys saw, some of these little what are they, hollies with leaves and stuff like that, these chipboards that you guys already saw, and then some metal. This one is an inspirational quote, and then these are just Christmassy ones. So nothing very big. Honestly, it's kind of simple because I am doing, how many am I doing? Two more. So, all right. So the first thing I'm going to do, again, keep in mind, you guys, that this is tying in our little scrap folder that we created, okay? So some of the things obviously you're gonna see, or obviously I'm reusing the same type of lace. So I am going to just kind of spread this. This is honestly decoration. You probably won't be able to use any of this because I am adhering them with hot glue. Okay, so from Michael's, I picked this, what I thought was a single wreath, and I was gonna do it like that, but then I saw that it's actually string and wire. And so I went ahead and just put 2 loops, and then I cut it like so. I'm just gonna show you. So here's my first loop right here, and then here's my second one. So right around here I am going to cut, and then with the same wire, because it's really easy to fold wire, I'm just gonna loop it against each other so that the circle stays, and there you have your wreath, okay? But I already have one here that I've got. Obviously I'm gonna use this one too, and I am going to adhere this down, and hopefully the glue works, because honestly I haven't even tried this. So we're just gonna try to center it and adhere that to the lace, okay? And then you guys saw I'm gonna bring in the deer, and I'm gonna try to place her somewhere where she doesn't bother anybody, like there. And then these little flowers I bought from Michael's, from the Christmas Noel collection. I don't know where the baggie went, but this is basically what came in with them, 10 pieces. So I am going to find a way to center I honestly have no idea. Let me see if I could put her there and then put the flowers. Or should I go with red? I kind of want to go with red, but too much red is like too much. And I know we should do things in odd numbers, but I wish I had a gold. Okay, so let's go ahead. Maybe we could do it like that. Just kind of play around. Give me a second to get my life in order. I kind of like that. Well, I like these right here. Like that? What do you guys think? Okay, let's go ahead and adhere the flowers first, and then I could move everything out. If I don't, I can move the, yeah, that looks better. I can move the deer around. My other glue stick just fell off. There, that looks nice. And then yeah, we'll try to tuck her in as best as we can. Now we could try to find a sentiment, but where would we pull it, you guys? right here on top of that, you think? Why not? Let's just, and of course I'm out of the glue. And I'm dropping stuff. Where did my glue stick go? Seriously? It just, did it fall in my trash can? Okay, let me just go grab another one because, oh, here it is. Because obviously, I suck at this. I'm always losing things on the table, always. So let's just squirt that, be a little bit more generous. And then we could put that there, but you know what? This is kind of not adhering to anything, so I'm wondering if I could put a couple of dimensionals on the back. So just kind of stack them up, peel, and then put it somewhere there. And that's going to be our decoration. Can you guys see it? I know, you probably can't because it's like clear. Let me see if I could find a dark color. Hold on. I have one of these pages here. So that is our decoration. Can you guys see that a little bit better? Super cute, super easy, and what an adorable way to decorate these embellishment boxes that are gonna accompany our little scrap folder. There, our little scrap folder. And you guys can see the theme kind of goes really well together. I love this idea, and this was very inexpensive, you guys. And as you guys just saw, you just do, maybe you could even get away with doing 3 loops and you would still have enough for multiple boxes. And these were super inexpensive because everything that's Christmas related, even this, is on sale right now. So I just honestly love this idea. Super gorgeous, and super simple in my opinion. But that's just me. But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to share with you guys a simple decorative piece for the top of the embellishment box. Hopefully you guys like it. I finished the other 2. So I wanted to show you guys these. This is the first one that I did on camera, and you guys saw that. Here is the other 2 that are going to be part of the giveaway, these 2 right here. So keep in mind that I'm using my scraps. I do not have multiples of the chipboards, and unfortunately, even though she's gorgeous, I only have one. I only had one of the chipboard. So I had to improvise and use something else for the remaining boxes. As you can see, it has the same concept with the gold wreath, the flowers, and then like a little title or like a label basically. So the ribbon is the same. So I took the other ones and I wanted to show you so you could see how they turned out, because I think they turned out super adorable. I'm just trying to find something that you could see. So let me bring this paper back, okay? This is just a 12 by 12 paper. And I'm gonna show you that even the inside of the embellishes are kind of similar, but they're not the same. So I've already shown you this one, and you guys can see how that, I know it's kind of hard to see because it's clear, but there's our little deer there. Hold on, the little jollies are out of control. Okay, so that was the one that's going for Suzanne. And then here are the other 2 for the giveaway. So this one just kind of has a candle, if you guys can see. It has the candle holder with the wreath, the sentiment, and the flowers. And then on the inside, just put more of that same washi tape. Gold stars, red sequins, the little charms down here, chipboard stickers, some woodsy accents. These are stars, hearts, clips, circles, just kind of like a mixture of wood decorations, some flowers, the plastic deers, and then these are flat deers that I got from Christmas last year as well. So I added 2 of those, some gold sequins, and that's basically puts this box together. The third one has a tree. Can you see that? It has a tree, and then it says decorating the tree, and then same thing, a wreath with flowers, and on the inside some more of the same stuff. So some jollies, sequin, flowers, plastic deers, and then wood deers, some brads, washi tape, chipboard, more chipboard stickers here with some sentiments that are on chipboard as well, the charms, and then just a bunch of wood decorative pieces that are just random, not necessarily Christmas, but they kind of go well together. So just included that, and that's all 3 of these boxes, you guys. So I hope that you like the idea of decorating the outsides. Very simple, very 3D, I feel like, but they came out gorgeous. Super proud. So these are gonna be put in the giveaway box, and I'll be announcing that shortly, sometime soon, so keep your eye out for it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.